It has now been confirmed what President Trump intends to include in the upcoming bill, which has been described by many as highly stimulative. In today's update, the proposals supported by President Trump will be outlined. Clarification will be given regarding the much-talked-about Doge Dividend check, the status of child tax credits, and whether any tax relief will be provided to seniors receiving Social Security, as well as workers earning income through tips and overtime. The new bill has officially been released. A breakdown will be provided of what has been included, what remains absent, and how these proposals could potentially affect different groups of Americans. A statement was recently issued by House Ways and Means Committee Chairman Jason Smith. According to him, the One Big Beautiful Bill delivers on President Trump's priorities to restore and expand Trump-era growth and relief for families, workers, and small businesses. While the bill spans hundreds of pages, the key highlights relevant to individuals and families will now be summarized. Included in the bill are several provisions, some targeted at seniors, others for working families, and several meant for workers receiving tips or overtime pay. A particular focus has been placed on tax relief for these categories. However, before delving into the details, it must be emphasized that this is only the first version of the bill. Though introduced by Chairman Jason Smith, the bill has not yet been voted on in the House, nor has it reached the Senate or the President's desk. Passage may require budget reconciliation, meaning some proposals may be disqualified under those rules. Now, concerning the much-anticipated Doge Dividend check of up to $5,000, as previously cautioned, this has not been included. After reviewing the bill, no mention of any such check, refund, or related stimulus was found. President Trump's core priorities appear to have taken precedence, and the Doge Dividend is not among them. Among the actual provisions, no taxes on tips. This applies only to cash tips. Tips received via debit or credit card payments remain taxable under current language, though changes could be proposed. No taxes on overtime income. Under this, only the additional amount earned due to overtime is exempt. For example, if standard pay is 20-hour, then the extra $10 from time and a half, $30 total, would not be taxed, but the base 20-hour remains taxable. Tax deductions for seniors. An additional $4,000 deduction has been proposed for those over 65 earning less than $75,000 annually, or $150,000 for married couples filing jointly. Child tax credit. The credit is expected to return to $1,000 per child starting January 1st, 2026. However, an effort is underway to make the $2,000 credit permanent. From 2025 to 2028, families with children under 18 may be eligible for a $12,500 credit per child. This credit is not a deduction. It's refundable dollar for dollar. Car loan interest deduction. Interest paid on personal car loans, not business vehicles, may be deducted up to $10,000. No clause was found requiring the vehicle to be American-made, but this could change. To summarize, no taxes on cash tips. No taxes on overtime premium. Additional $4,000 deduction for seniors, $2,500 per child. Refundable tax credit. Up to $10,000 in car loan interest deductions. The $5,000 Doge Dividend check is not included. It appears that instead of a lump sum stimulus check, a package of smaller, targeted reliefs has been proposed, which, when combined, could amount to significant support for qualifying families. As changes continue to unfold, updates will be shared promptly here. Stay informed by subscribing and turning on notifications. Thank you for watching. More updates will follow soon.